Need to fix the Swtools module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we start the Swtools module manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Swtools module, often bundled with OEM Support Tools, like those from Lenovo or HP. It provides the software bridge for the Support app to query localized hardware IDs and fetch update manifests from the manufacturer's web portal. If missing, the System Update utility will report "Check for updates failed" or "System information unavailable." With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since Swtools module DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized application toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Swtools module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of Swtools module DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're addressing Swtools module inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Swtools module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.